Hi, thank you for purchasing the Baccarat Beast Excel file slash software slash spreadsheet. Alright, so after you make your purchase through me, I'm going to email you the file, and it's going to look like this. You're going to get an email that looks like this from me, Donnie M. YBR Baccarat Excel file download. Alright, it may look a little bit different on your end depending if you have Google or Yahoo or whatever. Okay, but this is Hotmail or Outlook, MSN Outlook. So this is how it's going to look on Outlook. All you have to do is just click on it. There's the email. Alright, hi VIP member, attached is the Baccarat Beast Excel download. Please download first, then go to your downloads and open it from there. Okay, that's the trick. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to download it. All you got to do now, watch. A lot of people want to click on preview, okay, but you can't do that because we have a passcode. You have a passcode you have to put in there, and you're not going to be able to open. The preview is just like a viewer. It's not going to open up the entire software. All right, so you're going to have to go down here and download it. So when you hit download, it's going to download somewhere. Wherever you have your downloads, okay, that's where you need to go. I have my downloads in my download file, okay, or the download file of my computer. All right, so we're going to go to the download file or the download section of my computer, and we're going to open it from there. All right, so I'm in my downloads, okay, so that's the download section of my computer. That's where I just downloaded this file to. So I'm going to click on it. We're going to see how it looks. Alright, so here it's going to prompt you to put your password in it. Alright, so everybody's going to have their own unique password. The password for this file is, the passwords are always lowercase, guys. Okay, so the passwords are always lowercase. I'm going to type in my password. I'm going to hit OK. Alright, so now we're in. Alright, so when you first download this thing and open it up, it's always going to be in full screen. Go to your top right hand corner over here and click on that little box, and you can minimize it. Okay, and you can go up here to the top like this, somewhere like a blank space. Left click it, hold it down, and you can move it anywhere you want. Okay, you can also adjust the size of it. Okay, so that's going to be important for you if you want to create a dual screen on one computer screen. Alright, so I've already got this thing set up pretty much how I want it, so I'm going to move it. Left click, hold it down. Okay, and I'm going to go to my browser. I'm going to click on my browser. Alright, now my browser may be in full screen, and all I have to do is just hit that box again. Okay, and I could actually size this one the way I want to. So I've got one screen. I don't have two screens. I have one screen. And now we're going to go to the Baccarat thing, and boom, I have my platform. So I have two screens on one screen. You see what I'm saying? Alright, so back to, I'm going to click out of this, and we're going to focus on the Baccarat Beast software. Okay, so let's focus on the software here. Alright, so just remember, the only columns that you can click on is A and B. Okay, you can't click on C, D, and all that other stuff. Okay, B, column B, is the one you want. What we're going to do here, you see that empty box right here? That's your friend. Alright, watch. Always click on that empty box. Okay, and get that green box going, and then after that click down. Alright, and just put your letters in there. Alright, you can, I like to use my caps lock. Okay, if I do not use my caps lock, it's going to look like that, but it's going to be the same. B is B. Okay, All right, you can also use your down button. Okay, your up button. Okay, you can use your delete button. Okay. All right, your left click button on your mouse is your friend. Okay, that's going to help you. Instead of using the down button, you can go down here and click on it. You can go over here and click on it, the left click button. Okay. And if you mess it up, if you say, well, shit, I should have put a P in there, okay, you can change it. Okay, just erase it. You see what I'm saying? That's all you have to do. Start entering stuff. All right, when you get done, just copy like you're going to copy, okay, and just hit delete. That's all you got to do. All right, so if you want to like learn how to strategize with it, just watch some of the demonstration videos. Those videos are full of how to strategize. So we're just talking about functions in this video. All right, so if you want to save it, just click on File, and it's going to prompt you to save it. But if you do save it, you're going to have to save it under a slightly different name. All right, because you'll be overwriting the original file. Okay, but don't fret, because it's the same working file. In other words, if let's say I play a shoe and I wanted to save it, and I just hit save, and okay, the next time you open the software, it's going to pull up the shoe that you just played. Okay, if you want to save that particular file, just name it differently, like Baccarat Beast, whatever, shoe number 1 or shoe number 2 or shoe number 3. But pretty much that's about it. All you got to do is just remember the left click button is your friend. All right, so let's just go through, watch how I click on stuff. All right, I'm always going to, if I don't know where I'm at, like if I'm way down here, okay, I just click on something. It's gonna just remember, click on column B. It's gonna show you where you're at, because if you click over here, look, I'm trying to click on it, but that's not moving. Okay, so I just like to use this button to get started. I mean, this box to get started. I know where I'm at, so that's the reason why I use the first box. After I see where I'm at, then I can click down. Just hit a B or a P, All right, go down. All right, it's not going to give you a prediction unless you go down. All right, see right here, I'm going to put a B in there. It's not giving me a prediction. I have to go down in order to get the prediction. So you enter what's going on, and then you go down to get the prediction, or to go down to get the result. All right, the main thing is the prediction. So if I put a B in there but I don't go down, it's like I never put a B in there. You have to go down to lock it in. You see what I'm saying? So if I don't, so it's a two-part thing. You put the letter in, and then you go down. Okay, you just can't put the letter in and expect it to give you a prediction. You have to go down. All right, it's 2 steps. You see how I'm doing that? Go down. Okay. Go down. Go down. It's that simple, guys. So play around with it. Okay. And I appreciate it. And be looking out for my emails, because I've got some important news that I'm going to be sharing with the VIP members really soon. Talk soon, guys. Thank you.